My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called ColossusAspect. ColossusAspect is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers and Mac browsers such as Google, Chrome, Safari, and possibly Firefox too. ColossusAspect adware is currently spread through integration with certain free applications. Also, there may be sudden browser pop-ups mentioning that people need to download and install some browser updates. However, it is extremely dangerous for people to install such fake updates because they may point people to the installation of adware similar to ColossusAspect. This particular adware attacks Safari. You may see that ColossusAspect is one of the extensions in Safari browser. This particular adware may display its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, also, ColossusAspect adware may periodically redirect your search queries through some other random websites, and it displays ads based on certain geographical location and also based on some other settings. If you have discovered this particular adware to be the part of your Mac computer, you should undertake the measures to remove it as soon as possible. Well, you can check your available applications in your Mac. If you find this ColossusAspect, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, it's a good idea that you remove this particular extension from the Safari. You need to get rid of this extension completely and uninstall it. So move it to the trash, and also you'll see that the extension was completely removed. Finally, I do recommend that you research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, then start researching your system with its help. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database. After this is accomplished, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but there are certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. You need to wait, as I said, until the antivirus database is updated, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. After that, the scanning will begin. The program Combo Cleaner Antivirus will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your Mac computer. Some of these threats can be removed manually, but we do recommend upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically, and this way your Mac will always be protected by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Thanks for watching.